So I am a riceaholic. I love rice, all kinds. And this particular brand, this is Royal. These are 20-pound bags, Basmati rice. And here's the inside bag. And let me show you the quality. These bags are really, really high quality, and I save them. And I use them to just store stuff in, and I give them to people who want to use them to store stuff in whenever I start collecting too many of them. So these are really, really good bags for just doing whatever you want. Now, as far as the rice, I'll show you what it looks like when it's cooked, but that's the size of it, uncooked. When it's cooked, it's not sticky. It's got a good, nice taste to it. It's an excellent, excellent, excellent rice. It's up there as one of my favorites. I really like this rice, so hopefully you like it too as much as I do. And it's really easy to cook. It cooks on the stove. It cooks in the rice. I cook it in the rice cooker. I just double the water, set it and forget it, and it just comes out really, really, really nice and even. All right, so my rice is done, and let's have a look. It's nice and chewy, not sticky, and this is just barely finished right now. So if I let it sit for a little bit, cool off a little bit, it'll become even less sticky than what it is. So let some of that water evaporate. So tastes great too. And there it is. I'm going to enjoy this.